Application of derivative. Geometrical meaning of derivative. The slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at that point x equal to a on it is f dash of a. Means slope of tangent is equal to the derivative of the function at the given point. We know that tangent and normal both are perpendicular to each other, therefore slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon f dash of a. Equation of tangent to the curve at the point a comma f of a is y minus f of a is equal to f dash of a x minus a, where f dash of a is a slope. Find the equation of tangent using slope point form. We know that slope point form y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is a slope and the x1 y1 are the points. Using slope equation of tangent, we can find the equation of normal. Y minus f of a is equal to minus f dash of minus 1 upon f dash of a x minus a. Here only slope is a change, points are same. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 at minus 1 comma minus 2. Solution. Equation of the curve y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1. To find the slope of tangent, differentiate the given curve with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 4. Now dy by dx at minus 1 comma minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 2. Slope of tangent which is equal to 2. Now using point and slope, we can find the equation of tangent is y plus 2 is equal to 2 into x plus 1, which is equal to 2x minus y is equal to 0. Slope of normal minus 1 upon 2. Equation of normal is y plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Find the coordinates of the point on the curve y is equal to 6x minus x square. The tangent is parallel to the line y is equal to minus 4x. Here we have to find the point on the curve y is equal to 6x minus x square, and condition that tangent is parallel to the line y is equal to minus 4x. Same thing, that is a differentiate given curve with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 6 minus 2x. Slope of tangent is 6 minus 2x. This tangent is parallel to the line minus 4x minus y equal to 0, which is a straight line, and we know that slope of the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, m which is equal to minus a upon b. Therefore slope of the line is a minus 4. Hence also here we are given the condition that tangent is parallel to the line, and slope of the tangent which is equal to 6 minus 2x, slope of the line minus 4, and these two are the parallel. 6 minus 2x which is equal to minus 4, then x equal to 5. Now put x equal to 5 in the given curve y is equal to 5. Therefore coordinates of the point on the curve are 5 comma 5. Next example. Find the coordinates of the point on the curve y is equal to x plus 1 upon x. The tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Solution. Here we are given that tangent is parallel to the x-axis. The line parallel to x-axis means y is a constant, and y is constant, therefore dy by dx equal to 0. Now equation of the curve y is equal to x plus 1 upon x. Dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 upon x square. Hence x square minus 1 equal to 0. x equal to plus or minus 1. When x equal to 1, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. Put the value of x in the given curve. Y is equal to x plus 1 upon x. So we get the value of y. The coordinates are 1 comma 2 minus 1 comma minus 2. This problem can be asked in another way, that the tangent to the curve y is equal to x plus 1 upon x at a comma b is parallel to x axis. Find a comma b. Next problem, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 6x square, where normal is parallel to the line x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Solution. Equation of the curve y is equal to 6 minus x square. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx which is equal to minus 2x. Slope of tangent which is equal to minus 2x. Slope of normal, that is a reciprocal, 1 upon 2x. Here you are given the condition that normal is parallel to the line x minus 4y plus 3 equal to the 0. Slope of this line 1 upon 4. Hence 1 upon 2x is equal to 1 upon 4, because normal is parallel to the line x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. So using this we get the value of x and y. X equal to 2. Put the value of x equal to 2 in the given curve. We get y is equal to 2. Putting the value of x in the slope of tangent. Therefore slope of tangent is a minus 4. Now we get slope of tangent. Therefore using the slope of tangent, equation of tangent is y minus 2 is equal to minus 4 into x minus 2, which is equal to 4x plus y minus 10. Equation of similarly we can find equation of normal, which is equal to x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. Next example, find the angle between the tangent to the curve 8y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 at minus 6 comma 8, and tangent to the curve y is equal to x plus 3 upon x. Solution. Write the equation of the curve y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 upon 8. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to 2x minus 4 upon 8. dy by dx at minus 6 comma 8 is equal to minus 2. Therefore slope of tangent which is equal to minus 2. Now second equation of the curve y is equal to x plus 3 upon x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx 1 minus 3 upon x square. Dy by dx at 1 comma 4 which is equal to minus 2. Therefore slope of first tangent minus 2, slope of second tangent minus 2. We have to find the angle between two lines, and we know the formula. Angle between two lines, tan theta which is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Therefore tan theta is equal to m1 is also minus 2, m2 is also minus 2, 1 plus upon 1 plus 4 which is equal to 0. Tan theta which is equal to 0, theta which is equal to tan inverse of 0. Therefore theta equal to 0. Now these are the example for practice. Next topic, physical meaning of derivative. Uh, you know the all of you know the concept displacement, velocity and acceleration. If s is the displacement of a particle, then v is equal to ds by dt is called velocity. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. If v is the velocity of particle, then a is equal to dv by dt is called the acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Okay, so velocity means rate of change of displacement and accelerations means rate of change of velocity. Now we will see the examples. Depends on the this velocity and acceleration. The displacement of a particle at time t is given by s is equal to t cube minus 4t square minus 5t. Find the velocity and acceleration at t is equal to 2. Now solution. uh, differentiate with differentiate s with respect to t. V is equal to 3t square minus 8t minus 5. Also acceleration, which is equal to dv by dt. uh, Differentiate v with respect to t, therefore we get 60 minus 8. V at t is equal to 2 is minus 9. Now put the value of t into t is equal to 2 in v, which is equal to minus 9. Also put the s of a particle is s is equal to 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Find t when acceleration is 14 feet per second square. Find v and velocity and displacement at that time. Okay. Now solution. You are given the equation of displacement. S is s, and we know that v is equal to velocity, which is equal to rate of change of displacement. So differentiate s with respect to t, we get 60 square minus 10t plus 4. Now acceleration is a rate of change of velocity. So differentiate v with respect to t, we get dv by dt 12t minus 10. Now we are given acceleration, the value of acceleration 14 feet per second square, and our acceleration 12t minus 10. So both values are equal. 12t minus 10 is equal to 14. Hence t is equal to 2. Velocity at t is equal to 2. Velocity at t is equal to 2. Put the value of t is equal to 2 in velocity. We get the value of velocity. Example for practice. Please solve this example for practice.